Hi guys, today we are going to review circumference and area of a circle. So, given this formula, you can use your star reference sheet as you want. A Ferris wheel has the radius of 65 feet. What would be the distance traveled by a passenger in one full rotation? So, a passenger right here going around one full rotation means it's a circumference. So I'm going to use the formula that have the radius because they giving you the radius. So 2 pi r. 2 pi r. So I'm going to double the radius first. So 65 double the radius will be 130. Multiply with 3.14. So that will be easier for you to multiply it. Okay, you can pause the video and multiply it, and then when you're done, you can compare the answer with me. So after you line them up and you multiply them, don't forget to move your decimal. You should have the circumference will be 408 and 2/10 feet. Number 2, the tin frying pan is 13.5 inches in diameter. Find the distance around the pan. So they're giving you the diameter and you're looking for the circumference. So I'm going to use the formula to have the diameter, which is pi times diameter. So I will have 3.14 times 13.5. You can pause the video and multiply them. Make sure at the end you're gonna move your decimal 3 places to the left, because this is 2 places for 3.14 and 1 spaces for 13.5. After you multiply the two numbers, you should get 42 and 3,900 inches. Number 3, Brad is putting an 8-foot diameter circular flower garden in his yard. He will put plastic edging along the flower bed. How many feet of edging will Pratt need to enclose his flower garden? So we have a circular flower garden. And then we're gonna put flower bed along the edges. I'm gonna do it in green. So look like it's a circumference, isn't it? Now they give you the diameter is 8 foot. So I would use the formula that have the diameter. Circumference will be pi times diameter. So I would use 3.14 times 8. Pause the video and multiply it. You should get 25 and 1200 foot of edging. Number 4, Patricia buy a round dining table. The radius of the diner table is 6 meters. How much space does she have on the surface of the table for the food? So we're looking for the space that she have on the surface. So that means I'm looking for the area of a circle. So we have only one formula to use, is pi times radius square. Now they're giving you the radius is 6. Radius square means you take radius times a radius, which is 6 times 6 is 36. If you think about radius square is 6 times 2, that's not going to be correct. Make sure it's radius times radius. Then I have 3.14 times 36. You can pause the video, line them up, and multiply and move your decimal. So you can check with my answer. I have 113 and 400 meters, square meters. Number 5. Donna make a round pizza. She wants to put cheese layer on the pizza. If the crust layer is 8 centimeter in diameter, how many square centimeter? See that? It's very clear that they say square centimeters. That means you're looking for the area, right? Of the cheese layer does she need to put on the pizza? And then I'm gonna have to use my formula pi times radius square. So I have diameter is 8, but I need radius. So if diameter is 8, my radius will be half of that, will be 4. And radius square will be 4 times 4, which is 16. So 3.14 times 16. You can pause the video and multiply these two numbers. You should have 50.24 square centimeter. Sorry, my work is kind of messy. Number 6, a bicycle has the diameter of 27. How far does the bike travel along the ground when the wheel rotates 1? So when the wheel rotates 1, it will become 1 circumference. So they're giving you the diameter. So we use the formula pi times diameter. So we have 3.14 times 27. Pause the video and multiply it. So after you multiply, you should get 84 and 7,800 inches. Number 7, a hamster wheel has the radius is 4.5 inches. How far will the wheel turn in 1 revolution? So the same like number 6 is 1 revolution, 1 rotation, mean it's just 1 circle, 1 circumference. So they given you the radius from a 4.5. So I will use the formula that have the radius. So 2 pi r. So 2 pi r, we're gonna do double the r first, which is double the radius. So if you do 4.5 and you double it, you have 4.5 times 2, 4.5, which is 9/2 after you do the Texas popcorn. 2 times 4 is 8 plus 1 is 9/2. You multiply with 2. 2 means 2/1. 2/2 is 1. Or you have 18/2, which is 9. So we'll do pi is 3.14 times 9. And you can pause the video, line them up, and multiply those two numbers. I have 28 and 26 inches. A unit circle wheel has the radius of 10 inches. How many feet will the unit cycle travel in 5 revolutions? Explain how you solve this problem. So the wheel or the unit cycle travel in 5 revolutions, meaning 5 rotation, which is 5 circumference. So I would find the one circumference to see how much I would do. They're giving you the radius, so I will do 2 pi r. And I would do 2 double the radius first, which is 10 double it is 20. So 3.14 times 20. I will have 62.8. And don't forget, it is 5 rotation. So I will take that number, multiply with 5. So you can pause the video and take 62.8 times 5. You should get 314 inches. Oh, so I didn't change this one, so we can change this one to inches. Otherwise, you can convert to feet. A circular mat has the diameter of 53 centimeters. Lily wants to sew a decorative braid around the mat. So how many centimeters of braid does she need? So around the mat mean it is the distance around the circle, which is the circumference. And they're giving you diameter, so we use the formula that have diameter, pi times diameter. So 3.14 times 53. Feel free to pause the video and multiply those two numbers. So after you multiply and move your decimal, you should get 166 and 4200. So the unit will be centimeter. Number 10. The problem is made for me to choke. No, it's not. It's Alabama. He don't like it. A sport team is selling a circular patches for their fans. Each patch has the radius of 3 centimeters. What is the space covered by the patch? Such a good logo. So, space cover the patch, so it's mean area. So we do pi times radius square. So pi, they're giving you radius is 3. So radius is 3 radius square, mean radius times a radius, which is 9. So take 3.14 times 9. Pause the video and multiply those two numbers. You should get 28.26 square centimeter.